Hi, I'm John Gonzalez, the project coordinator for the CARES Act Rental Assistance Program. I'd like to discuss the terms and application process and provide a general summary of how the program works, the timeline, and how to be involved. Some highlights of the program. Solano County has assigned $4 million to the COVID-19 Rental Assistance Program, otherwise known as RAP. That is $4,000 per household. We're hoping to help up to 835 households with assistance, rental assistance. The payments will be made directly to the landlord or property owner. Our application period will be starting September 21st through October 12th. This is not a first come, first served program. Applicants will be screened for vulnerability using a vulnerability assessment tool. High vulnerability applicants will be asked to submit supporting documents. The reason this is not a first come, first served program is it's designed to avoid a mad rush of applicants. We want to give ample opportunity to our most vulnerable community members so they can apply. That's why it'll be a 3-week application period. How did this program come about? Well, through phone calls and building relationships, the hard work of parishioners throughout our county who made phone calls to check in on each other as the COVID-19 pandemic began. Research and alert to new funding. Parishioners and Common Ground members alerted us to the fact that Solano County was to receive $45.6 million in CARES Act funding. Through advocacy, through sharing stories, we were able to put together proposals to address the needs we heard through our phone calls from our brothers and sisters. Things like availability of COVID-19 testing and delayed test results, not accepting that COVID-19 was actually a real virus, financial burden and stress caused by losing their job, reduced wages, and obviously kids at home with distance learning. There's a lot going on. So finally, we met with Solano County supervisors and county administrator. We shared the stories that we had been hearing of the struggle spiritually, financially, mentally, because of the economic and health crisis. And we wanted to keep the federal stimulus locally to assist our local economy. So that's how this came about. Now, who is eligible? A tenant must reside in Solano County as of January 1st, 2020. The reason for this stipulation is many nonprofits and housing programs have relocated families to Solano County in the last couple of months due to various different reasons, fires, COVID-19 outbreaks. So we want to make sure that residents of Solano County that have been here are the ones that are getting the funding for this. You must be 18 years of age or older. Income limits are set at or below the 100% federal poverty guideline. For example, a family of 4 would need to show a net income of no more than $2,183 a month or $26,200 a year. If the household is receiving CalFresh or food stamps, then it would be 125% of the federal poverty guideline. You must show that you've suffered financial hardship due to COVID-19, as in the loss of job, reduced wages, can't meet basic needs. Any reason that can be related to COVID-19 is something we'll look at. And finally, we're not asking for immigration status. The CARE Act does not require it, so we will not require it as well, and hopefully this will open up the program to more families. Our timeline for this, we are currently in the education and outreach portion. That will be from September 8th through the 21st. On the 21st, applications will open up online. You can call by phone or apply in person. We have not set up places to apply in person yet, but we will get there. And then the application period will go from September 21st to October 12th, when they will close, and then we will start reviewing all the documents, applying the vulnerability assessment, contacting clients for documents such as lease agreements, PG&E bills if they're late on their PG&E bills, that so forth. And then we'll contact the landlords too, because like I had mentioned, this program does not pay the applicants, it goes straight to the landlord. And then starting October 24th, we'll continue contacting landlords and then start processing and mailing out payments. And I had mentioned that there's a vulnerability assessment tool. The county helped us develop a tool to determine which applicants are at highest vulnerability. It's an 8-factor test to determine. Under our contract, we are able to help 835 households, and we will do our best to ensure that all 835 households are helped and that we do not return any money to the county for the unused rental assistance funds. And then, as I mentioned a little bit, proving eligibility and financial hardship, we will be looking for a copy of the lease agreement. The applicant will have to sign under penalty of perjury. We need confirmation that you have been affected by COVID-19, either a letter from an employer or household member testing for COVID-19, testing positively. We will need verification of financial hardship. Could be bank statements, past due bills, EDD denial or termination letter, COVID-19 related medical expenses, and so forth. How to apply? You can apply online. We will have that link up on our website as of September 12th. You can apply by phone. We will have members willing and able to answer phone calls. Right now, we'll have Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and then Saturday and Sunday, most likely Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The reason it's later during the weekdays is so if people are working, they will have a chance to call and apply after work. And then we do have bilingual materials as well. Or you can apply in person, locations to be determined. How you can help, future opportunities. You could share the program flyers with your ministries, your clients, your family and friends. You really are the bridge between this program and those who need this help the most. We ask for your help in spreading the word about this program and to help tenants apply once the application period opens. Become a part of our team. We do have full-time, part-time, and volunteer opportunities available. You could host a socially distant in-person event at your parish. We do have funds available to rent your space. And then just, if you don't want to get involved that much, just help those in need to apply for the program starting September 21st. Finally, if you would like to help out or join us in this program, feel free to contact either Miriam Sammartino. She is the Executive Director of Catholic Charities in Yolo, Solano, or you can contact myself. Information is here on your screen. Once again, thank you for taking time out to watch this video, and God bless.